Day 3 on our Belitung trip. Gonna have a bit of breakfast now and then get out on maybe some paddle boards or canoes or something like that, do a bit of water sports. We're thinking of maybe going to another island for lunch. And then this afternoon the plan is to go to the east of Belitung, the town of, I think it's called
Manggar.
Manggar. Let's get to day 3. So this is our breakfast situation. Nice little buffet, cereal. Oh, nice little juice there. That looks like a dragon fruit juice. Having a omelette made for us right now. We've got pisang goreng. Pisang rebus. Nice. So Susan's just about to get on the paddleboard this morning. She's stuck in the sand at the moment. She's got it backwards too. I might get the drone up and see what it looks like from the air.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
So we're going on our boat trip to the island right now, which is Apa. Yeah. So we're going over there now on this boat, and we're going to have some lunch over there. Terima kasih. So this is Pulau Tukong, where we're going to have some lunch and maybe try and get some photos here and check out the island. It's a remote island. I don't think anyone else lives here. Looks like someone's built a stairway up here. And this is our lunch being cooked at the moment. Lots of prawns. Wow. They've set up a nice little, what is it, saung or hut for us to have our lunch. And look at that view straight out into the ocean. It's really nice and breezy here, so it's cool. Whereas if you get out into the sun, oh my god, it's really hot. But here, cool. They've done a really good job of this little hut. Let's check out up that ladder. Wow, the view from this rock is amazing. Look at that. Prawns, we've got only a little bit of veggies left, and we've got our fish, sort of like a spicy sweet fish stew. Okay, we're leaving Pulau Tukong right now, heading back to the hotel, pick up all our gear, pack it all away, get on the motorbike and zip across to the east of the island, where we're heading to Manggar. I was going to say Manggarai, but it's Manggar. Let's get to it. Goodbye Echo Beach tent and hello to Manggar. It's about 2 hours, Manggar.
I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate.
So it took us over 3 hours to get here to Manggar from the last place, and we've found a hotel now for 150,000 a night, and it's actually pretty good for the price. You get air conditioning and hot water, and for 150,000 you rarely get that in Indonesia these days. So we found ourselves a little Chinese restaurant here, and we've ordered some kueh tiao goreng and a nasi goreng, and 2 of these things, which is a lime juice, I think. Let's check it out. So we've got little bits of egg here, some bits of meat of some sort, some bakso, noodles and veggies. Awesome.
Under your skin, wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied.